Good afternoon everyone, it's Rachel here, and I am just going to do a quick little video to talk about Flowers Magic Art Fest, which starts on August 5th. So I did send out a newsletter about it with just a just a sort of letting you know that it was coming up, and then I sent out on the 14th, I think it was, that the early bird pricing has opened. It's an online course with 14 different artists. So there'll be, it goes for 20 days, and there'll be, I think, 30 lessons from all different artists, including myself. And you have lifetime access when you purchase the online course. So the early bird pricing, the last day of it is the 4th of August, and then it will go up to its normal price on the 5th, when the actual Flowers Magic Art Fest begins. So if you want to sign up for the less expensive, the early bird pricing, I'll have a link down below. And I just want to show you this. Now this, I made this following Francisca. So Francisca, she puts together the Flowers Magic Art Fest, and she's been doing it for 4 years, so this is her 4th year. And then she invites different people to participate, and she has an online course to make an art journal that she's offering for free now, I think up until, or it begins, or for the duration of the fest, I'm not sure. So I did her course and absolutely loved it, Francisca. And of course, you know, a lot of us know how to make journals, but it was nice to see her approach, and it's always nice to see things through different eyes. So mine's not quite finished. I chose this book that's sort of been sitting up on my shelf for a while, empty. I've emptied out the pages, but it has this gorgeous spine. It is losing a bit of color off the spine, so I think I may spray over it or something. See, little bits of leather are coming off. So I thought I'd tie it with this piece of linen that I painted with my sister when I was in Australia. We swooshed it around in the color, and I think I'm going to running stitch in one of those threads that changes color all the time, and just do rows and rows of running stitch and have a nice stitched little tie for my journal. Now if my journal grows, I may have to add a piece on the end so it's a bit longer. And I didn't make my journal exactly the same as Francisca, because I didn't want to cover the spine of this book, but I did add a doily on the front, and then I have made it in a similar way to hers. Now the only difference between mine and Francisca's is I don't have eco dyed paper. So I used my jelly printed paper that I've done with you guys before. Was my first attempt, really. So I have a pocket here. I've put a few things in there, but I'm going to be adding more stuff. And then I'll just quickly flip through. I've gone through and added flips and things, and taped things in place that I might like to add in different spots. That is, that's rust dyed by my friend Michaela. So I did add in, that's by someone else. I can't remember where I bought that one, but I did add in some things from, you know, that are eco printed, but not by me. So I've just made this fun journal. Now I would like to participate in the art fest, but I will be away a bit in August, so I think I'll have to do it afterwards. I won't be able to participate when it starts, because I'll already be away. So I will have to do it later, but I have prepared my journal, and I thought you guys might like to go and do Francisca's course and prepare yourselves a journal if you are participating in the art fest. So I think I might put that there, but I need to stitch that down and make a pocket. And so it's going to be a pretty chunky thing by the time it's done. I don't know whether I'll work in all the pages, but it is nice to have these nice pages. That I did have some of these in a digital pack. It's nice to have them in a book instead of in a box. So I've just sort of added, and I've tipped in smaller pages, and I made a little pocket here. I am going to put some tags in there, but I haven't done that yet. So I just sort of wanted to say a little bit about the course. It's 14 different artists, 30 videos over 20 days. They'll be released slowly over 20 days, and then you can do them at your own pace because you will have lifetime access to them. So the link will be in the description box below, and I'll put the link to Francisca's art journal course as well, how to make one, in case you're new to this and you don't want, you don't know how to make one, or if you're like me and you do know how to make one, but I like watching other people do things, so I thought I'd give it a go and really enjoyed it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday, and I will see you again soon. Bye.